you have no signal here on your Grundig TV, I will show you how you can easily fix this problem. Okay, for the first step, what we can try to check is if like the satellite cable or the normal cable from our TV is connected right. So this is really important. Make sure that the cable is connected. Okay, and what we also can try to do is that we try to choose the other port, like HDMI port or like cable port or something. And what we also can try is that we clean the cable and clean the port, because sometimes you have a little bit problems because the cable is like dirty or something. Okay, and after we have checked this, then we can try to go here on the remote, and here we have like this little input or source button. So there is the arrow to the right, and it should look like this here. So press this button, and here we can select the right input device. So here make sure that you select the right input, like satellite, DTV, ATV, and HDMI or something. And here really make sure that you select the right thing. Okay, and after you have checked this, if you then also don't have a signal, then we can go into the menu here, or like into the settings. So go on the home button here or into the settings, and here the settings we can go and do a new auto tuning. So sometimes we have to do a new channel scan or something like that, and then we can go here and then we can try to do auto tuning. And sometimes this is really helpful. If what we also can try to do first before we do this is that we go here back. So and then we go here until we get to the settings, the all settings, and then we go down here, and then we have like here the reset, not the reset button, the software update button. And sometimes we can do here a software update, and this will also help to fix this no signal problem. Okay, and after that, what we can also try to do, if nothing of this works, then we can try to unplug the power supply from the TV, then wait like 2 or 3 minutes, and then you can plug it in again. And sometimes after that, the problem is fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.